So we're gonna make curry beef, and this is 2.5 pounds of beef, fresh beef. This is the seasoning for the curry beef, and we have about 6 leaves of bandhania, some cilantro, 5 green onion pieces. We have some fine thyme, cherry pepper, a pimiento pepper, a scotch bonnet pepper, a little piece of ginger, 3 big cloves of garlic, and half a medium onion. This is what it looks like. We added a tablespoon of water. Sure you get all of it out.
The rest will go with the curry then.
1 teaspoon of salt.
That's 2 teaspoons of curry and half teaspoon of cumin powder.
And we mixed it with the water that was mixed with the seasoning that was in the rest of the thing. Fry the curry until the water is evaporated. Now we're going to add the beef. It's been cooking for 15 minutes. So we're going to let it fry a little more, then we're going to add 2 cups of water. Okay, so we're going to add 2 cups of water. So now it's done. Really nice and tender.